We can also remove duplicate values easily from NumPy arrays. So the unique function, basically, if we call np.unique and then pass in the name of a NumPy array, it will just simply remove all of the duplicate values. So here it turns a two-dimensional array into a single one-dimensional array that has all duplicate values removed. So here we've got a duplicate of the number 5. So here it's just passed back a single one-dimensional array that just has just the one value, number 5. And we can also use it to remove duplicate rows or columns. So here we've got a two-dimensional NumPy array that has a duplicate row. It's got this 1, 2, 3 twice. Maybe we don't want that. We can call np.unique, pass in the name of the array, and then if we say axis equals 0, it'll remove duplicate rows. So then we'd end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this second one would have gone. And we could do the same with columns as well. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, 5, 3. If we call that with axis equals 1, this basically says, well, 1 is a duplicate within this group. So we'll just leave that as 1, 2. 2 is a duplicate in this group. So we'll just pass back 2 and 4. 3 is a duplicate in this group. So we'll just pass back 3 and 5.